friends, welcome to Anu's Kitchen. As requested by one of the subscribers for a video on Brinjal Curry, today I am going to show you on how to prepare Brinjal Curry. Let's move on to the ingredients. 4 red chillies, 1.5 tablespoons of Channa Dal, 1 tablespoon of white Thill, 1 tablespoon of Dhania, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, required salt, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half teaspoon of chilli powder, and I have cut the brinjals and soaked it in water with little salt in it. 2 onions and required oil. Preparation. Light the flame and take a pan. First we have to dry roast the ingredients. Take Channa Dal and fry it for a minute. Keep it in medium flame and fry it. Now the Channa Dal is roasted. To this we have to add Dhania, white Thill and roast it for a minute. Now to this add red chillies also. As I told in one of my previous video, you have to put the red chillies in the end for frying because it may turn blackish if you put it in the beginning itself. So fry it. Now the dry roast is ready. You can transfer it into a plate. Switch off the flame and transfer it into a plate. And allow it to cool. Now light the flame. Now add oil. Put the mustard seeds, Urad Dal, and allow it to splutter. Now add onions and fry them for about 2 minutes. To this, to get the onions fried very quickly, add little salt and fry them. Brinjals also. To this add required salt, turmeric powder, and half teaspoon chilli powder and mix well. Now allow the brinjals to cook for about 10 minutes. When this is getting fried, you can simultaneously grind the dry roasted ingredients. Now the brinjals and onions are fried very well and cooked also. Now we have to add the dry ingredients powder. And mix well. Now the brinjal curry is ready. You can switch off the flame and transfer it into a bowl. Brinjal curry is ready. Please do try this at home and give your feedback in the comment box.